I'm Michael Weeks, the director here at Roper Mountain Science Center, and very excited to share with you the renovation of our Harrison Hall of Natural Science. After 9 months, we've had a lot of work done on the building, and besides improvements like LED efficient lighting, new roofing, new flooring, we have a lot of exciting exhibits for you as well. So we're standing right here in our marine lab. And what we've done with our marine lab is a complete redo. You can see behind me our coral reef habitat, where we have over 800 different animals, from predator to prey to seahorses, all of which can be found in the coral reef. And of course, we teach about the importance of the coral reef habitat and how important it is as the nursery of the ocean. That's where all life comes from. So we teach about that here. And as well, we have touch tanks, so you can get up close and personal with some of the marine life. If you don't get to go to the beach, well, you can come here to Roper Mountain. You can pet a stingray. We have sharks, which we have added, bamboo sharks, that you get to pet, as well as snails and urchins and all kinds of popular marine life. In addition to the improvements here in the marine lab, we've also added a whole new exhibit on Megalodon, which was the giant shark that lived many millions of years ago, but it grew up to 60 feet in size, which is just enormous, about 3 times bigger than a great white shark. And so we have an exciting exhibit on Megalodon and the importance of sharks and the vital role that they play in the marine ecosystem. And then in addition, we have a lot of other improvements in our rainforest, which is where we have our popular butterfly habitat. In our paleo lab, we have a life-size Allosaurus Replica dinosaur, which you can get close to. And Harrison Hall will be able to be enjoyed by tens of thousands of students on field trips every school year, and it can be enjoyed by public visitors as well on our big Second Saturday events and our popular butterfly adventure, which will be from June 1st to July 13th of this summer. Tuesday through Saturday, come on out between 9 and 3 and enjoy all of the improvements here at Harrison Hall at Roper Mountain Science Center.